Welcome to qnawire.
We have a brass lid and a glass jar. And initially they are tightly on each other, which means their radiuses are the same. So let's say this is R1, the radius, and this is R2. So initially at temperature 15 degrees Celsius, R1 is equal to R2. Now at a temperature of 75 degrees Celsius, the brass cap has a different length than the glass jar. So we need to find the difference between these two. That is RV minus RG. We know that the radius of the brass cap would be the initial radius R0. Let's call this R0 plus alpha R0, this alpha being alpha of brass, delta T. Whereas for glass, this would be R0 plus alpha glass times R0 times delta T, which means this difference would be the R0s would get cancelled. Alpha brass minus alpha glass times R0 delta T. That is 19 minus 9 into 10 power minus 6. These are the alphas of brass and glass. We know that the radius is about 4 centimeters because we know the diameter is 8 centimeters. And the change in temperature is 60 degrees Celsius, which would give us 2.4 into 10 power minus 3 centimeters. This is the difference in the radii of the cap and the glass jar.